everybody. It's Angie Rupert, once again, founder of Rupert Law Group. We handle exclusively E2 and E1 visas, so no matter what treaty country you're from or what state you want to live in, we can help. Today we're going to be talking about age. Is it just a number? Yes, it is. Anyone of any age can apply for an E2 visa. There are absolutely no age restrictions, according to the regulations, for an E2 visa. So let's talk about when age may be a consideration. So for those who are very young, and what I mean by very young is anyone under the age of 25, 26, something like that. So are those people eligible? Yes, they are. However, the requirement that really is relevant here is the direct and develop requirement. So an E2 investor must be able to direct and develop the business and ensure that the consular officer feels that that business will be successful. So again, there's no age requirement, but for someone who has very little work experience, it may be a bit of a hurdle to convince someone who doesn't know you at all that you're going to be able to successfully run a business even though you don't have much of a work history. Now, we have done it. We have actually had people still in college apply for the E2 visa and get it. So it's really about the individual, right? Maybe you worked for a couple years between high school and college. Maybe you started a successful IT development company when you were still in high school. Maybe you worked for just a year or two, or if you're in the United States and have OPT, you worked for a year. Maybe you did a few internships in your home country over each summer during college, things like that. All very important for very young investors. So we'd be thrilled to speak with you if you have a limited work history but really want to do the E2 visa. And then what about on the other side? What about people who are older, who have, let's just say, a lot of experience, right? So that's also totally fine. And we've helped investors who are nearing retirement age. The important thing here is the same requirement: direct and develop. Are you going to be able, in an interview, to convince the officer that you are going to be able to successfully direct and develop a business, that you are excited about starting a new entity, a new business in a new country at your age, right? So here we're not as concerned about the work history. You probably have plenty of work history. Here we need to make sure that they know that you are not coming to the United States to retire. In fact, you are coming to start a brand new business. You are going to work hard in that business and you're going to make that business successful. So no matter what your age, you may be eligible for an E2 visa. There are no age requirements. So age is just a number, as we all know. As long as you can show them you can successfully direct and develop the business, that requirement is met. If you have any other questions about an E2 visa or an E1 visa, please give us a call. We'd be thrilled to help. Thanks so much.